Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into a critical issue that's been escalating in Syria. Since August 2023, Syrian government forces supported by Iranian-backed militias have been locked in intense clashes with insurgents in southern Syria. This is becoming a massive challenge for President Bashar al-Assad's authority, the most significant since the Syrian government regained control over most of the country. Now let's talk about where this is all going down, Syria province. Syria is predominantly Druze, a religious minority that stayed neutral during the early stages of the Syrian civil war. But things have changed. Economic hardships and government mismanagement have stirred up local discontent, pushing some Druze residents to join the insurgency. Imagine the frustration that must have built up over the years to reach this tipping point. And how has the government responded? Well, let's just say it's not been pretty. The Syrian government has gone all out, bringing in heavy artillery, shelling and airstrikes. This heavy-handed approach hasn't helped. It's only intensified the conflict and alienated the local population even further. Now this situation isn't just a local issue. It has significant regional implications. The violence in southern Syria could spill over into neighboring Jordan and Israel, which is a big concern for regional stability. Plus, with Iranian-backed militias in the mix, it adds another layer of complexity to an already tangled web. And let's not forget the human cost. The fighting has displaced thousands of civilians, creating a dire humanitarian crisis in Syria province. Families are being torn apart with limited access to basic necessities like food, water, and medical care. The international community needs to pay attention to this. This is not just a Syrian problem, it's a significant destabilizing factor for the entire region. So what can you do? Raise awareness, share this video, talk about it with your friends and family, and keep informed. It's crucial that we all understand the gravity of the situation and push for peaceful resolutions and humanitarian aid where it's desperately needed. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay informed and stay safe. Catch you in the next video.